Welcome back, scooter enthusiasts. If you're searching for the best electric scooters of 2025, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 e-scooters that are setting the standard for speed, performance, range, and design this year. Whether you're looking for a smooth commuter ride, a powerhouse for off-road adventures, or a scooter with top-tier tech, I've got you covered. Stick around as I compare the latest models like the NIU KQi Air, Segway ZT3 Pro, and more, and help you choose the best ride for your needs. Starting at number 5, we have NIU KQi Air Carbon Fiber Electric Scooter. Tired of scooters that struggle on hills and die halfway through your commute? Meet the NIU KQi Air, the carbon fiber electric scooter built for serious riders. With a powerful 700W peak motor, it hits speeds up to 20 miles per hour and tackles 20% grade hills like a champ. You'll love the comfort too. Extra wide handlebars, thick shock-absorbing tires, and a roomy deck make every ride smooth. Plus, with smart app controls and a triple braking system, it's both high-tech and super safe. Honestly, this might be 2025's best commuter scooter. Moving on. At number 4, we have Segway ZT3 e-kick scooter C2 Lite. Looking for the perfect first scooter for your kid that's fun and safe? Check out the Segway ZT3 e-kick scooter C2 Lite. It cruises up to 9.9 miles per hour with a smooth 130W motor, just right for young riders. The cool part? Surf-inspired design with RGB ambient lights that dance as they ride, making every trip an adventure, day or night. Plus, it's UL-certified, so you know it's safe and reliable. Honestly, this is a stylish, worry-free way to get your kids outdoors and moving. At number 3, we have Unagi Model 1 Voyager. Want a scooter that looks as sharp as it rides? Meet the Unagi Model 1 Voyager, the premium ride built with SpaceX-level carbon fiber for unbeatable strength and lightweight performance. It rockets up to 20 miles per hour with class-leading torque, giving you that powerful, smooth acceleration every rider craves. Plus, the sleek handlebar packs throttle, brakes, horn, and lights into one clean, wire-free dashboard, total control at your fingertips. Honestly, with its tech, design, and live customer support, the Unagi feels like the Tesla of electric scooters. At number 2, we have NIU KQi 100P Electric Kick Scooter. Need a scooter that's powerful and easy to carry around? Check out the NIU KQi 100P, the perfect ride for daily commutes and weekend fun. With a 600W peak motor, it hits 17.4 miles per hour and climbs 15% hills without breaking a sweat. Plus, it folds down small enough to toss in your trunk. Safety? Covered. With front and rear brakes, bright LED lights, and turn signals. Honestly, between its smart app features and comfy 9.5-inch tires, this is one solid, all-around urban scooter. And finally, at number 1, Segway ZT3 Pro Electric Scooter. Looking for an electric scooter that can handle real off-road action? The Segway ZT3 Pro is built for adventure, with 11-inch tubeless tires and dual suspension that make rough trails feel smooth. It crushes steep 25% hills and goes up to 43.5 miles on a single charge, perfect for long rides without constant recharging. Plus, it fully charges in just 4 hours with Segway's flash charge tech. If you want power, comfort, and durability in one package, the ZT3 Pro is a total game changer.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.